Activision, I know you're recording these voice chats now, so forgive me, for I'm about to commit every goddamn violation there is.
God, he's gonna do
You don't shut your bitch ass up, I just might have to shove you back into your mama and give her a second opinion on whether or not your dumbass should have been born. You're getting ahead of yourself, and I mean that quite literally with your EDP-445 built ass.
Jesus Christ!
Goddamn belly reaches a whole ass.
It was a mistake for me giving this sound effect to you.
Basement-dwelling, V-Bucks addicted face looking like Emperor Palpatine's poopa-having ass. Go cry to your mama for me, and let her know I said last night was a blast.
Shit!
Roll out.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! What the fuck?